Welcome back everybody to the channel. I hope you guys liked the last video. I tried my best to make it, kind of fast and kind of quick, straight to the point. But straight to this point, the car is broken. Let me show you guys. Right there. No water pump. Yep. No water pump. So I was driving back home. I heard something like creaking in the car. And I was pretty far from home. And I was like, this does not sound good. I think there's something wrong with the car. So I limped it back, going at 3K RPM at like 60 miles per hour or something on the freeway. And then boom, car just stopped. Put the car in neutral, turned it off, went all the way down to the, to the side of the road, and I checked, and white smoke everywhere. And I guess it was the water pump pulley that broke. And yep, car has been towed back and is now sitting. And I'm gonna try to get it back to life. I'm gonna hopefully take off all these belts here. And I'm not gonna buy a new water pump because I'm scared that if I buy a new water pump and the car doesn't work, then it's over. But I'm gonna go ahead and take out the old water pump from the H22A4, put it onto this one, and see if it turns on. Prelude curse is real. Let's get to it. Alright, so my plan of attack is to remove the power steering pump belt, and then remove the engine mount. Yo, what's up? It's been a week since I've touched the car. I started school, but from last week I was able to take everything off. Now I just need to be able to loosen that manual tensioner, so I have to go buy actual stubby wrenches because I don't have stubby wrenches. We installed the tensioner when it was outside the engine, so we could just use our regular long wrenches. I also took out the old H22A4 water pump. I just got back from AutoZone, got the wrenches here. Hopefully they work. I'm pretty sure they're gonna work. Let's get to it. Now that we got the old water pump out, alright, so I'm thinking of getting a OEM timing belt. If I can't find an OEM timing belt, I'm just gonna use my old timing belt from my H22A4. But yeah, so we're gonna wait. I gotta order some stuff. I hope I can find an OEM timing belt for sure. And once I get that timing belt, we'll put it all back together. Let's go. Coming back. I don't know. Welcome back everybody. It's been at least 2 months since the last update, and we finally got it done. I was able to do the timing belt, the water pump. I did get a new water pump. I got a GMB water pump and new OEM timing belt. And it took me so long because I couldn't get the timing right, but I was finally able to get it right with the help of a hand. We got it running. Now the car is running good. It should be running good. But there's some issues with it. The VTEC is not working, and the vehicle speed sensor is not working. So, you know what that means. On the next episode, so the VTEC is not working, and the vehicle speed sensor is not working. So we're gonna try to do those in the next video that comes out. Other than that, thanks for watching. Thanks for watching me struggle on my goddamn Honda Prelude. If you're not already caught up, go ahead and follow my Instagram. I do daily posts about my car and reels, so follow it at Sour. Make sure you guys like, favorite, subscribe. I will catch you guys all in the next video. See ya.